Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my French toast. So let's cook. I'm first going to start by cracking 6 eggs. Next, I'm going to add 1 1/4 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1 heaping tablespoon of brown sugar. And you want to mix this up. Now that this is mixed up, we're just going to go ahead and set this off to the side. Here I have my pan heating up on a medium fire, and I'm just going to go ahead and add some butter to my pan. So now I'm just going to put my French toast in my pan. And you just want to let these cook up until they develop a nice crust on the bottom. Okay guys, it's been a couple of minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and flip our French toast over. And you see that crust that I'm talking about? That's what you're looking for when you're making French toast. And I'm just going to let this cook for another 2 minutes or so on this side. Okay guys, so it's been a couple of minutes and I'm just going to check my bottoms. And this side is brown too, so I'm just going to go ahead and take these out. And I'm just going to add a little bit of butter back into my pan. And I'm just going to add my other pieces in. So I'm just going to continue to cook up the rest of my French toast. And I'll check back in with you guys when I'm all done. Okay, so I'm finished making my French toast. And this recipe makes around 12 slices of French toast. So here I have some powdered sugar that I'm just going to lightly dust over top of my French toast, just like this. Now if you want, you could just garnish it with a few pieces of strawberry, like that, and some fresh blueberries. And that's it guys. That's how I make my French toast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, put in your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!